you start separating yourself. Start fucking can't get lined up, going slow. Guess what's going to happen? Someone's going to get more reps than you. Everybody's on a rep count. Reps are going to move. They're going to fluctuate. Everybody good? Okay, so get your breath, all right?
Hey, folks, you tighten down for me, folks. Step on right there. Look for it. Look, what can y'all do to this ass out? Triangle. You're good. Look, if he's downstairs, what are y'all playing? Good. Right, come in. What are they trying to do right here? What's he supposed to do?
Hey, everybody should know what the call is right now. If you're not in, you know the call, you're watching your position, you should be the first guy to know if there's a mistake. Hey, you didn't run, you got your outfits in.
Right down the top of them numbers. 100%, baby. 100%. Out of elbows.
Tuck. Chin it.
100%. No pressure, Patch. No pressure, baby. That's easy for you, Patch.
Ball's never flat.
Perfect. Over the shoulder. Nice with the eye. 100%, baby. 100%. Out of elbows.
Tuck. Chin it.
100%. No pressure, Patch. No pressure, baby. Right foot, right shoulder. Green 8. So go. Right foot, right shoulder. Manage. Top. Now he's coming to me again. Comes over here. Going right at me. So now he's to me. Right foot, right shoulder. Following up. Good. Here we go. Green 8.
Right here.
So go. Right foot. Don't miss. Green 8. So go. Right foot. That's it. That. Job.
Yeah, we good? We sure? Good, here we go. Beat, you give him the look here. We're going on Monday.
Hey, defense here.
Hey, this is a straining drill. You got me? We don't strain, we just keep doing it. Here we go. On Monday. Ready?
Good, hook it up. Good, eyes up.
Switch it. Let's go. Hurry. Let's go. In and out.
Hey, hold the X-bag tight and down.
Guys up.
Hold the X-bag tight and down.
Here we go.
Good.
After you go to go. Green 8, just go. Say go. Left foot. Boom. Stay. Go. Left foot. Right. Say go. Come on, swing that ball. Hey. Good. That's it, good. That has to be forward. So if he shows decide to stick his foot in the ground now, I can step forward. Go! Right foot! Finish, stay up. 18.
There's another center field turn, right? Stay square initially, so we don't have to hit the ball call over there on the sideline. DBs. Ball.
Good, here we go. Let's go Indy hot. Indy hot.
Hey, Indy hot. Hey, we go. Hey, even Mike Middle.
Good. Good. Open up the A gap, guys. Chase.
Good concentration, Anthony. Good concentration.
Squeeze. Hey, good, right, good. Yeah. Hey, good, good.
Hey, that's us. That's us.
I got him.
That's all Ricky said. That's all Ricky said. That's a pick. That's us.
Who is it, Kevin?